Okay, number 7, the Pyramid of Khufu is a square pyramid that is 7 meters tall. So it's the height right here is 7 meters. Okay, the perimeter of the base is 60. So if it's a square pyramid, it means all the sides are equal. So it's 60 divided by 4 is 15. So every side is 15. Okay, that's what that information is giving us. How much buried treasure could the pyramid hold? So we're talking about volume again. So we're going to go use our formula. And it's 1/3. So 1/3 base times height. Okay, so our base is 15. Our height is 15. The height of our prism is 7. So 1/3 of 15, that's 3 will go into 15. So that's 5. 5 times 15 times 7. 5 times 15 is 75. 75 times 7 is 525. So 525 meters cubed, which is answer choice D. Okay, number 8, it says use this diagram below for 8 and 9. So it says the cube picture below has a side length of 9 centimeters. So I'm going to fill that out right there. What is the lateral surface area? Okay, they don't specify a base, but on a cube, all the sides are the same, right? So all we need to do is say, okay, there's 2 bases on a prism, so we take out 2. So I'm going to mark out like 2. It doesn't matter which 2, honestly, on a cube. So we're just going to take the side. So if the side length is 9, the area of each piece is 81, right? Because it's 9 times 9. So 81 times 4 is 324. That is your lateral surface area, okay? So that's your lateral surface area. Your total is just going to be all 6 sides. So you're going to take 81 and then multiply it by 6. Yeah, that's this total one right here. This is lateral. This is total. Oh, I'm sure it's just a mess up. Don't worry about it. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can pick A or D. So total surface area would be 81 times 6, which is answer choice H. So number 10 says the pyramid above has a square base with sides of 6 feet. So right here I would write 6 feet because you know it's 6 feet on all the sides because it's square. And congruent triangular sides with a height of 7. So the height right here on these triangles is 7 feet. What is the lateral surface area? Okay, lateral does not include the base. So it has the 4 triangles. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay, well we have 4 of those things. So once I find what the area of one triangle is, I got 4 of them. So base would be 6, height would be 7 divided by 2. 6 times 7 is 42, divided by 2 is 21, and then I have 4. If you understand that the 4 triangles turn into 2 rectangles, then you could have done it a little bit differently. But 21 times 4 is 84. So 84 centimeters squared is the lateral surface area, okay? So the next question asks you the total surface area. So what you do is you take the lateral surface area and then you add that base in that you have. So the base is a 6 by 6 square. So 6 times 6 is 36. So we add 84 and 36 and we get 120, which is letter choice H. Okay, so number 12. The rectangular prism below has a base measuring 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters and sides measuring 7 by 11 and 3 by 11. What is the lateral surface area? Okay, this one is a little harder, okay? Because if I start writing the sides, okay, I have to decide which one is the base at 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters. There's a long one. This is the biggest one. It's 7, so it's 7 centimeters. I'm going to blow this up pretty big. By 11. Okay. My smallest one is 3 by 11, so that's that one. And then my other one is going to be 3 by 7. So that's that one where it matches up. Okay, it says the 3 by 7 is the base. So this is your base and this is your base. That's what it's saying because it says the 3 by 7 is my base. Okay, what is the lateral? So lateral means these 4 rectangles is what I'm looking for, okay? So I know this is 7 by 11, so it is 77. If this is 77, then this is 77. Correct? Okay. This is 3 by 11, so it's 33. So if that's 33, then that's 33. So I should have 77 twice and 33 twice. So you get 20 here and then 22 there. So we should get 220, which is answer choice D. Okay. So that helps me with that one. Okay. You should be writing this down. Number 13, the triangular the triangular prism below has an equilateral triangular base. So equilateral, that wording right there means that all sides are equal, okay, with sides of 6.7 and a height of 6 inches. So they're saying the height of this triangle right here on both sides is 6 inches. And rectangular sides measuring 6.7 inches, so that would be this side, by 10 inches, so that's this side. What is the total surface area? So you have to find the total. It means every single piece, okay? So this piece right here is 6.7 times 10, which is 67, okay? So this piece right here is 6.7 because they're equilateral triangles, right? So this is 6.7 times 10. So this is 67 and this is 67 also, based on the information that they gave us in the word part. Okay? Now, the triangle is going to be 6.7 times 6 divided by 2. I'm going to divide 6 by 2 and get 3 and do 6.7 times 3. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20. We have a decimal spot right there and right there. So 20.1 for this triangle. And you're going to have that on the same over here. So 20.1 and 20.1. Okay, so if I add those together, I would say 67 times 3, which is going to be 201. And then 20.1, which is 40.2. Okay, so make sure I line up the decimal. That's a very important deal there. And I got 241.2, which is letter choice H. Number 14. The pyramid shown below is made of 4 congruent equilateral triangles with sides of 8 centimeters. So they're all 8. And heights of 6.9. What is the total surface area? Okay, so you're going to find the area of one triangle and then multiply it by 4 because they're all the same. So base times height, so 8 times 6.9 divided by 2. I'm going to simplify that way. I'm going to say 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 6.9. And I got 27.6. So 27.6. And then that's my one for one of them. So I multiply it by 4. Because there's four triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought I was what?
I thought you were multiplying it too, or were you dividing it?
I was dividing it. There's another concept that we could do, but we're at 27.6 right here.
Is this faster?
Well, it just, that's the way you understand it. Does that make sense? You understand base times height. I know that two triangles make a rectangle, so I wouldn't even have to divide by 2. I could multiply 6.9 times 8 and then multiply that by 2 because there's 4. But you have to know that those two together make 1. So I just did it where there's 4 triangles the same. Find the area of the triangle, multiply by 4. There might be a little bit extra work in that, but not much. Okay? So 110.4, which is answer choice B.
It doesn't make a rectangle.
2 triangles make a rectangle. Now, they may not line up exactly, but you can work it into a rectangle. Okay. Any questions? Okay.